Still bored with the lockdown, I decided to start a new project, a paper rocket. I start with the launcher. I took a bottle, I drill its cap to the size of a straw, I had to make a little adjustment, and now it fits perfectly. And that's the launcher. Now to build the rocket with some office items. I take a sheet of paper and fold it in half. Make marks at 2, 3 and 5 centimeters at both ends and connect the marks with lines. I make marks at 2 and 3 centimeters for the fins. Now looks like a rocket. With the scissors I cut what will be my rocket. I cut the edge of the fins and finally the sides of the body of the rocket. With a piece of masking tape, I seal the sides to obtain a closed cavity and make it more rigid. Looks somewhat flat, but I leave it that way for now. I fold the fins like an X-wing fighter and hollow the body with a pen. Finally, I make sure that the straw goes in loosely and the rocket is ready to fly. I go out to the park, install the rocket in the launcher, all systems go, the countdown, 3, 2, 1 and liftoff. Ooh, good flight, but how high did it reach? To solve this, I will analyze the flight. Rocket goes up and down in 2.4 seconds. The height is unknown, but I know that the speed at the peak is 0. So to simplify, I'm going to consider only the second half of the flight, which is a free fall. Y0 is the starting position and YF is the final position. Time is the half of the total time. This is 1.2 seconds. The vertical displacement is equal to the half of the gravitational acceleration multiplied by the square of the time. Acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second square. G is negative because the acceleration points downward. Now I replace the figures. Delta Y equals negative 4.9 meters per second square times 1.44 seconds square. Cancel second square and we have meters. Delta Y is the difference between locations, and that difference is the product of square time and half g. The difference is finally negative 7.1 meters. But the y sub f is 0, so the y0 is equals to positive 7.1 meters. The highest point, the height, is 7.1 meters. So we are ready to more launches. Thank you.